Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the class on index number. In today's class, we'll discuss test of consistency of index number. Here, we'll discuss concept of unit test. We'll talk about time reversal test. We'll talk about time reversal test. Then we'll talk about factor reversal test. The third thing we'll talk about is factor reversal test. Okay. Then the fourth, there's one more test is there called circular test, which is not important for you. So you should know only we need to discuss only about three tests here. One is unit test, then time reversal test, and factor reversal test. So what are these tests? Why we are talking about these tests? Because you know that, right? We have different methods, right? Calculate the index number. You remember we have weighted method, we have unweighted method. Unweighted method, we had simple aggregate method, we had simple average of relative method. In simple average of relative method, we can calculate by arithmetic mean, we can calculate it by geometric mean. Then we have weighted aggregate method like Lesperance, Partial, Dolbe's, Wally, Marshall, Eggworth, Fisher. So then we have weighted relative method. So we have so many methods, okay, and then we want to know like out of these methods, which method satisfy the value of time. Like if you change the base year to current year or current year to base year, will in both the case that method will show the same performance or it outcome get impacted. And then there is something called factor reversal test. The factor reversal tests believe that the product of time reversal, the product uh, of price index number, okay, into quantity in, okay, when you are finding the value, the price index number into quantity index number, any test, anything, when you're doing calculation, the product of price index number into quantity index number, it should give you value index number. That is factor reversal test. Time reversal test means P01 into P10 should be equal to 1. That is time reversal test. So when we say time reversal test, in the case of time reversal test, we talk about this relationship. Unit test is like the test what we perform, the final outcome what we get, it should be free from the units of price and quantity what we take for the consideration of the calculation of index number. So let's talk theory about that. So already I just started talking about theory part. So several formulas have been studied for the construction of index number. The question arises as to which formula is appropriate to the given problem. A number of tests have been developed, and the important thing among these are unit test, then time reversal test, then factor reversal test. Okay, when we talk about unit test, so this unit test required that the formula for the constructing of index numbers should be independent. So what unit test is talking about? Unit test is talking that the formula what we use for the construction of index number, it should be independent of the units in which the price and the quantities are quoted. Okay, so the formula what we use, okay, for the construction of index number, you know, right? For every method, there's a formula. Okay, that formula should be independent of the units. Okay, so that is what unit test is all about. So all the tests follow, all the tests what we talk about, they satisfy unit test. Only test which does not satisfy unit test is simple aggregate index method, the unweighted one. That sum of P1 by P naught, sum of P1 by P naught into 100, or sum of Q1 by Q naught into 100. So only simple aggregate index method. Okay, so the only except only that does not satisfy unit test, except that every other test satisfy the unit test. That is what unit test is talking about. We're talking that the formula what we are using, okay, that formula should be independent of these units for which we do the calculation. That is unit test is all about. So just a theory thing. Okay, then we have time reversal test. When we talk about time reversal test, it is a test to determine whether a given method will work both way in the time, forward and backward. Okay, that is what time reversal test is talking about. In the word of Fisher, the formula for the calculating of index number should be such that it should give the same ratio between one point of comparison and the other, no matter which of the two is taken as a base. Okay, so if this is what the time reversal test is talking about. P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So P01 into P10, that should be equal to 1. This is what time reversal test is talking about. Okay, so P01 means, are you getting it? So 0 here talking about base year, 1 talking about the current year. So if we change the base year to current year to base year, the product of them should give the same ratio. Okay, this is what time reversal test. So there's only one test which satisfy the time reversal test. That is the Fisher ideal index. So only one test which satisfy the time reversal test is Fisher ideal index. Okay, there's no other test which satisfy time reversal test. Lesperus, Parshett, Dorbis, Wally, Marshall, Eggworth, Cayley, any test we talk about, they don't satisfy time reversal test. Only one test satisfy time reversal test, that is the Fisher ideal index. You can see this. This is P01, this is P01, this is P10. Okay, and if you multiply them, you'll get 1. Like any other methods, whatever methods we talk about, so they will not give the value of 1. Here, only thing, do not include, do not include into 100 in the test. Normally, no, we what we do, whatever methods I told you, we whatever final answer we get in all those methods, we multiply by 100, right? So here, don't multiply by 100. So whatever the P01, P10, what you are getting, keep it away from 100. Okay, don't multiply by 100, and then when you multiply them, you will get value equal to 1. Clear, everyone? So this is time reversal test. Then we have factor reversal test. So another test suggested by Fisher is known as factor reversal test. It holds that the product of the price index and the quantity index should be equal to the corresponding value index. Okay, so this is what I told you, factor reversal test. It means P01 into Q01, that should be equal to V01. That is what factor reversal test is all about. Okay, so again, the only one test which satisfy factor reversal test is the Fisher ideal index. So this is P01. Okay, for the price index, no? For the Fisher, in the Fisher method, this is P01, this is Q01. If you multiply them, you will get the value index. What is V01 value index? The formula V01 P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q naught. This is value index number. So, so the only test which can satisfy time reversal and factor reversal is Fisher ideal index method. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt, anyone? So I hope you understood, right? Write down this question, guys. So this is the question. Construct the Fisher ideal index for the following data. Test whether it satisfy time reversal test and factor reversal test. Just now I talked about time reversal test, factor reversal test. There is only one method which satisfy both time reversal test and factor reversal test. That is Fisher ideal index method. Okay, so there's only one method which satisfy both the tests. That is Fisher ideal index method. That is what we are trying to prove here. So base here, this will be your Q naught, this will be your P naught, this will be your Q1, this will be your P1. Now I'll calculate the Fisher ideal index value. Okay, I'll calculate that. Okay, I'll calculate P01 price index number for the Fisher ideal index method. I'll calculate quantity index number. Okay, and then I'll calculate the value index number. Also, I'll calculate P10 also to do the calculation for the time reversal and factor reversal. Then everyone, I hope you have written down the question. So you can, you have P naught, Q naught, P1, Q1. So I can find the sum of P naught, Q naught, sum of P naught, Q1, sum of P1, Q naught, sum of P1, Q1. I can find the sum. Okay. Clear, right? Anyone, any doubt? Everyone getting the same value? Okay, once you get this, can you find the Fisher ideal index number P01 for them? Fisher ideal index number that you will get around 106.2. Anyone, any confusion, any doubt? Everyone getting this? Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
So once you calculate the Fisher ideal index number, once you calculated the Fisher ideal index number, now I want to do the test, time reversal test. So this is P01. Now time reversal test means P01 into P10 should be equal to 1. P01 into P10, that should be equal to 1. Okay, so the time reversal test, just I did P01. Okay, so while doing time reversal test and all, we don't include into 100 there. You can see here 100 was included because I wanted the Fisher ideal index number. So don't include 100 here. Then you can find P01. Then you can find P10. So if the formula of P01 was sum of P1 Q naught into divide by sum of P naught Q naught into sum of P1 Q1 divide by sum of P naught Q1. This was the formula, right, for the Fisher ideal index P01. So P10 formula will be what? Just interchange the place. P0 P naught Q1 divided by P naught Q naught into sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P1 Q naught. Are you getting it? Okay, 1 minute. This will be sum of P naught Q naught and sum of P1 Q1. So if you multiply them, so you know that sum of P1 Q naught, already you found their values, all the values. You just need to put them here. So the sum of P naught Q1, P naught Q1. So if you just put them value, you can prove this. This is sum of P naught Q naught into P1 Q1 divided by P naught Q naught into P naught Q1. If you multiply them, you will get the value called 1. Other way you understand, this and this will cancel, this and this is cancelling, this and this get cancelling, this and this get cancelling. You get 1 only. You see this. If you multiply them, what will happen? If you multiply them, what will happen? You can see this. P1 Q naught, this and this get cancelled. P1 P1, this and this you'll get cancelled. One minute. This and this will get cancelled. P naught Q1, P naught Q naught, this and this get cancelled. P naught Q1, this and this get cancelled. Everything will get cancelled only. Factor reversal test, this is factor reversal test. P01 into Q01 should be equal to V01. So you know the formula of P01, that is sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught for Fisher ideal index method. Then this is sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q1. Q01, that will be equal to what? That will be equal to sum of P naught Q1, sum of P naught Q1 into sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q naught into sum of P1 Q naught. So if you multiply them, you should get V01, value index number. So that is what factor reversal test is all about. Clear, everyone? So every year in exams and all, you'll get questions on time reversal test, factor reversal test. Okay, one of the very common questions which comes in exam. Like you can see this 15 marks question. Calculate the index number of price by all the 5 methods and prove that Fisher ideal index satisfy factor reversal test and the time reversal test. So you can see this question. So if I write this question, if I write, see this question, commodity A, B, C, D, E. So I have 5 commodities, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I have 5 commodities. Okay, and then P naught value for these 5 commodities are 13, 16, 12, 13, 16, 12, then 13, 16, 12, 17, 18, 17, 18, then P1. P1 value is 14, 17, 14, 14, 17, 14, then 19, 20, 19, 20. This is P naught, P1. Then Q naught, 10, 13, 10, 13, 14, 18, 19, 14, 18, 19, then Q1. So Q1, 12, 15, 16, 12, 15, 16, then 19, 20, 19, 20. Okay, so I calculate the index number of price by all the 5 methods. So all the 5 methods, what method they're basically talking about here? Lesperus, Pache, Dorbis, Bolly, Marshall, Eggworth, Fisher ideal index. Okay, you have other method also. You have Cayley method, you have a price relative method, all other methods also you have. So if you want to, we can follow that method also, or you can simply calculate it by these methods. Okay, Lesperus, Pache, Dorbis, Bolly, Fisher, or Marshall, Eggworth, all these methods. Okay, so we can follow the simple average of price relative method also by arithmetic mean, by geometric mean, all that. Ultimately, what we need to satisfy that the Fisher index satisfy both time reversal and factor reversal. So if you see this question, if I find P naught, Q naught, P naught, Q naught, so 13 into 10, 130, then 16 into 13, 16 into 13, 16 into 13, have to multiply 16 into 13, 16 3 are 48, 16 1 the 16, 208, 208, then 12 into 14, 12 into 14, 12, 12 4s are 48, 12 1 the 12, 168, then 7 into 18, 289 plus 17, 9306, then 18 into 19, 18 into 19, 18 square 324 plus 18, 342.
342.
342. So you can find this value. Then P naught Q1, then P naught Q1. So P naught Q1, 13 into 12 is 156. Then 16 into 15, 225 plus 15, 240 if I'm not wrong. 15 into 16, 16 into 12. Just now we did not 16. No, we are not done. 16 into 12, 12 into 16, 72, 12, 192. Then 17 into 19, 17 into 17, 20s are 340 minus 17. This would be 323, and then 18 into 20. 18 to the 36, 360. 17 into 19, correct, right? Minus 3, minus 1, 3. Then this is 16 to the 32, 323, correct. So then I can find P1, Q1. So the P1, Q1, P1, Q1, 14 into 12, 12 into 14, I did not. 12, okay, 14 into 12, P1, Q1, 14 into 12, 14 into 12, 28, and then 14, 168. Then 17 into 15, 17 into 15, 85, 255, and then 14 into 16, 14 into 16, 84, 224, 19 into 19, 361, 20 into 20, 400. So then P naught, Q naught, P naught, Q1, P1, Q1, P1, Q naught, 140, 13 into 17, 91, 21, 14 into 14, 196, 18 into 19, 340, 18 into 19, 340, right? 242. Then 20 into 19, 380. Correct? Anywhere, any mistake? 8, 16, 16, 16, 22, 24, 2 carry, 2 carry, 5, 11, 15, 1 carry, 2, 4, 5 plus 6, 11, 1, 1, 5, 4. Then 6, 8, 11, 1 carry, 10, 19, 21, 27, 2 carry, 2, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 1, 2, 7, 1. Then 5, 10, 18, 1 carry, 11, 12, 12, 14 plus 16, 20, 2 carry, 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, 1, 4, 0, 8. Then 6, 8, 9, 6, 15, 19, 27, 2 carry, 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 7, 9. Tell me the sum, guys. Sum of P naught, Q naught, 1, 1, 5, 4. Sum of P naught, Q1, 1, 2, 7, 1. Sum of P1, Q1, 1, 4, 0, 8. Sum of P1, Q naught, 1, 2, 7, 9. Clear, everyone? Let me know any mistake, anything, anywhere. Any doubt, anyone, anywhere, any mistake, anything which you want to highlight? Can we do this? So if I find less Perez index number, then the formula for that is sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught into 100. So this is sum of P1 Q naught 1279 by 1154 into 100. I can find less Perez. 1279 1279 divided by 1154 into 100 110.83 188. Then this is less Perez. I can find partial index number. That formula is sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P naught Q1 into 100. Sum of P1 Q1 is 1408 divided by sum of P naught Q1 1271 into 100. Hundred and 10.778 914. Any doubt, anyone? So you find less Perez, you find partial. You can find a Dorbis Boli index number. Okay, so Dorbis Boli index number, that is the arithmetic mean of less Perez plus partial. So 110.83188 plus 110.778 4 divided by 2. This is Dorbis Boli. Dorbis Boli is 110.8053, 110.80539 something. Any doubt, anyone? Any question? Now I can find Fisher ideal index number. That is nothing but geometric mean of less Perez and partial. The geometric mean 110.83188 into 110.778. Find the geometric mean of that. That you will get Fisher ideal index number. You will get is 110.8049, 110.8049. This is a Fisher ideal index number. Any doubt, anyone? Once you get the Fisher ideal index number, now last method is Marshall Eggworth method. If you follow Marshall Eggworth method is sum of P1 Q0 plus sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0 plus sum of P0 Q1 into 100. So sum of P1 Q0 1279 1279 plus P1 Q1 1408 divided by sum of P0 Q0 1154. So this into 1271 into 100. This is what Marshall Eggworth method is. 1279 plus 1408 1279 plus 1408 divided by 1154 1271 1154 1154 plus 1271 into 100 into 100. So you can do the normal calculation. 1279 plus 1408 2687 divided by 1154 1271 512 4 2425 200. Find this value 2687 divided by 2425 into 100 110.8041 110.8041. Clear everyone? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Any question, anyone? So once you get this, now I got the Fisher index number, right? Okay, so now what P01 in case of Fisher ideal index number. So in case of Fisher ideal index number P01 already I calculated that if I don't include 100, that is 1.108049 1108049 1108049. So 100 is not included. 100 is not multiplied. Here everyone. Now if I find P10, so then what would be a formula? The formula will be sum of P1 Q0. So sum of P1 Q0. So sum of P0 Q1 into sum of P0 Q0 divided by sum of P1 Q1 into sum of this is P0 Q1. So P1 Q0. Clear everyone? So P0 Q1, P0 Q1, P0 Q0, P1 Q1 into P1 Q0. So you can find this value. So this value, sum of P0 Q1. So sum of P1 unit, let me write it with pen only here. P0 Q0 is 1154. Then P0 Q1 is 1271. Then P1 Q1 is 1408. And then P1 Q0 is 1279. So if I just wrote in the with pen, so sum of P0 Q1 is 1271 into P0 Q0. P0 Q0 is 1154. Then P1 Q1 is 1408 and P1 Q0 is 1279. Calculator. If I simply use calculator here, so S2RT for square root, I'm doing directly. So this is 1271 into 1154 into divide by 1408 into 1279. This is 0.902483. 0.902483. Okay, so for time reversal test, test P01 into P10, that should be equal to 1. So P01 is 1.108049 into 0.902483. If I multiply 1.108049, 1.108049 into this, you can see I'm getting value 1.9999999, which is 1 only. Fine, you understood, right? Everyone, time reversal test. So like the way I found P01, like the same way I can find Q01 also. So Q01 for Fisher ideal index method. So what will be the formula for Q01 for Fisher ideal index method? Q01 sum of P0 into Q1 sum of P0 Q1 into P1 Q1 sum of P1 Q1 into sum of P0 Q0 into sum of P1 Q0. So the Q01 here, so sum of P0 Q1 is 1271, P1 Q1 1408, P0 Q0 is 1154, and P1 Q0 is 1279. Don't include 100 here. I just use calculator to find this value. SQRT for square root 1271 into 1408. You can use calculator just to save time. And both will give same thing 1279. This is 1.101123. 1.101123. 1.101123. Clear everyone? What is V01? V01 is sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0. Sum of P1 Q1 is 1408 and sum of P0 Q0 is 1154. So 1408 divided by 1154. 1.1220 1.220104. 1.220104. This is V01. So for the factor reversal test, what we want product of V01 into Q01 should be equal to V01. P01 is 1. This is P01 1.108049. 1.108049. 1.108049 into Q01. This is Q01 1.101123. It should be equal to 1.220104. Let's test this. Multiply them. 1.108049. 1.108049. 8049. So if you multiply them, this is P01, this is Q01, this is V01. So the logic says that P01 into Q01 should be equal to V01. That is what factor reversal test says. 1.108049 into 1.101123. I should get 1.220104. Let's try this. So this into this. So you can see I'm getting the same value. 1.220098, you're getting, which is approximately close to this one. So means this shows that the Fisher ideal index is satisfy both time reversal test and the factor reversal test. Clear? Anyone, any doubt? So whatever they say, we'll do that in exam. If they give just, if sometimes they ask you prove that Lesperance does not satisfy time reversal test, prove that this method satisfies this test. Something whatever they ask, we'll do like the same. Clear everyone? So this much from the today class. We'll continue discussion in next class. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all very soon for the next class. Take care. Bye everyone.